Perfect. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of a collaboration hosted by my friend Jim from Jim's Kitchen, and the theme is Mac Attack. You have to make something using boxed macaroni and cheese. I love macaroni and cheese. Just love it. Who doesn't? And I love grilled cheese as well. And I thought, why don't I take macaroni and cheese and a grilled cheese, put them together and see what happens. So today we're going to be making a mac and cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Yum. Now before we get started, I want to say I haven't done this before. So whatever happens, happens, I guess. And I'm a little concerned because the macaroni and cheese that I made, I thought that the cheese would kind of congeal because I left it in the refrigerator overnight, and it didn't really do that. So it's a mystery. We'll find out. So I've gone ahead and buttered my bread, and I'm putting it buttered side down on my pan, like that. So I'm going to take cheese, and I'm going to drape it over like this. The bread I'm using is sourdough, and it's made in a sandwich loaf, which I just love. And I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to take my macaroni and cheese, and I just don't know how this is going to work out, but we'll see. I guess I'm just going to put it on. I guess if the cheese drips down, it will make kind of a crusty cheese. And I'm really hoping that the cheese is going to act as a glue. We'll find out. Hear all the sizzling going on? Now, I like tomato with mac and cheese. I also like tomato with my grilled cheese. So I'm going to add some tomato on top of here. Like that. And just for freshness, I thought I'd add some basil. Because I love basil. I'm taking this piece of the grilled cheese and I'm going to flop it over. Oh boy. Uh-oh. On top like that. Oh, yum. That is looking amazing. But listen to all that sizzling. Perfect. All right, here we are, ready for the big reveal. Let's see what happens when you bring together mac and cheese and grilled cheese. I think I want to cut this on an angle. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? So I guess I need to try this. It looks really delicious. I have a feeling it's going to be really messy. Wow, that was a really yummy bite. This really works. So macaroni and cheese and grilled cheese really work together well because you get a lot of texture in that. Plus you get the flavor of the tomato and the basil, and it just all kind of comes together really nicely. This was a really fun collaboration, and I'm really happy that you joined me. There are other content creators who are doing the same thing. I don't know what everybody's doing, but I think you'll get a lot of ideas of what you can do. And if you click on the hashtag #MacAttack, that's where you'll find all the other creators who are participating in this collaboration. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to make your own version of mac and cheese grilled cheese. Don't forget to click on the hashtag #MacAttack. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.